Hello everyone, today in this video I will teach you how you can make your iPhone screen look bigger, the icons, everything, or you can say how you can make your screen zoom in. So for that, go to your settings, and from here we need to swipe down and find this option called display and brightness. Now you will find all options regarding your display and screen, but we need to scroll down and find this option called display zoom. Tap here once. Now as you can see, this is the default size of our screen. Now we are going to change this to bigger one. As you can see, this is the zoom in version. So tap here once, and from the above press the done button. It says use zoom. Now as you can see, my phone's text is much bigger than before, or you can say my phone is now zoomed in. So this is helpful for people who cannot read. So yeah, that's how you turn your screen bigger, or you can say zoomed in.